Hey, how's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, anything online, guys. This video specifically is a in-depth review about the High Ticket Accelerator. This program is absolutely amazing, guys. I'm going to go through it and I'm kind of going to talk about what it offers, what it can do for you, and why you should join it if you're looking to make an online business or if you're looking to start high ticket sales for affiliate marketing or anything in general. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Um, so this is the High Ticket Accelerator backend. So once you're in the course or the program, this is the home page here. So basically, this is Josh Elder. He's kind of one of the main creators of it. Here's kind of his background. He's been doing this for the last 8 years. He's one of the main creators of the High Ticket Accelerator, and he's actually my mentor, and he's absolutely amazing. His content is amazing, guys. You guys are gonna be blown away. So that's one of the creators there. I'll go ahead and go through the creators first. Second, we have Brian Dixon. So Brian, he actually created the Chatbot Profits course in this program. So he teaches you exactly how to set up a messenger bot, how to use Facebook ads to drive people to your messenger bot, and then if you've never done a messenger bot, basically it's a way to get leads. It's a way to get people to subscribe to your Facebook Messenger. It's a lot. You get a lot more open rates, a lot more click rates with the messenger bot. So he teaches you how to do that, and that's exactly how I learned, is from Brian Dixon. So yeah, that's one of the other owners. And then we got Fraser McDonald. This guy has built a seven-figure online business specifically with Facebook free traffic. His method is amazing, guys, and this guy is awesome. Fraser is absolutely amazing, man. So anyways, that's Fraser. And then lastly, we got Paulo. This guy is a beast when it comes to email marketing. He knows how to build a list. He knows how to, get a list and then just keep growing it. So this guy has an awesome course as well. But anyways, let's dive right in. So on the home page, basically you watch this video. It's about an hour long. He tells you how the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator works, and he goes through and how you can start. You can be an affiliate for them, or you can just use the program to promote whatever you want. And he kind of goes through this here in the home. But yeah, you can go through this. Next, we got the Build Accelerator. It's kind of the first level of the High Ticket Accelerator. So basically, in here you have, basically mindset. How to kind of start everything, how to get your avatar set up, his daily method of operation, types of traffic, stuff like that. So kind of beginner stuff here for the Build Accelerator. And then going up to the next level, we got the Elevate Accelerator. So this one here, so the Elevate Accelerator, there's 3 different modules in here. There's a massive traffic formula, Facebook free traffic method, and the chatbot profits. So if you go to the massive traffic formula, this is actually by the Paulo. So he teaches you how to build an email list, basically free. And yeah, this guy is absolutely amazing. But that's the massive traffic formula, basically all about email marketing. Next, here in the Elevate Accelerator, there's the Facebook free traffic method. That was the one that by Fraser McDonald. He teaches you exactly how he got how to create a 7-figure online business just with Facebook free traffic. So this is an awesome module in here. He teaches you step by step how he does it. Here's kind of the modules in here: RVL formula, building relationships, creating the hub, basically on Facebook, stuff like that. So this is an awesome module. In the Elevate Accelerator, this is actually my favorite, is the chatbot profits. This has helped me grow my business like crazy, guys. He basically teaches you how to create a ManyChat template, basically a Facebook Messenger bot template, and how to get leads very, very inexpensive. These leads are very hot because you're basically it's basically like email marketing, but to the next level, because now they're in your Facebook Messenger bot, and now you can send them broadcasts, you can send them through a sequence, and he teaches you exactly how to do that. So this is my favorite out of all of them. Well, in the Elevate Accelerator, that's my favorite part of it. So definitely recommend watching. I mean, I think the program is, you know, just the chatbot profits. I think you'll get your value out of it. So definitely worth looking at. Okay, and if you go to the next level up, there's the Transcend Accelerator. This one is taught by the main owner, Joshua Elder, and he goes into like extreme depth on how to create a YouTube system. Basically, how he created his YouTube account. I think he has multiple YouTube accounts that he's created over the years. He teaches you exactly how he did it, how he does the keyword research, how he does the channel graphics, the channel setup. I think the biggest part of it is understanding the keyword research, and then how to figure out what keywords you want to rank for. So he teaches you exactly how he does it, with Google Keyword Planner. He uses Google Trends, stuff like that, and then he knows exactly how to rank, based on the competition. So he shows you, hey, if you post this video, you're gonna rank. If not, or if you post this video, you're not gonna rank based on these factors. So he kind of goes in depth. So very good course, guys, is the Transcend Accelerator. That's gonna be Joshua Elder's part of it. And then coming soon is the Awaken Accelerator. This has not yet been released yet, but this is the highest program they have. I do have the Awaken Accelerator. Obviously, if you have the Awaken, you get the Transcend, Elevate, and Build. And then if you have the Transcend, you get the Elevate and Build. I honestly, guys, I recommend you have to at least get the Transcend Accelerator, because you get the 2 traffic selling system, and then obviously you'll get the Elevate Accelerator as well. So definitely recommend starting with the Transcend Accelerator. Basically, guys, you're going to get everything in there. And then there's some extra bonuses as well. He has a launch jacking course, and then a Get Sales Today course as well, which is very useful. If you're in Funnel XROI, he does basically a done for you funnel and bridge page, and then he shows you how to set all that up in here. So very useful. Now, if you do want to promote High Ticket Accelerator as an affiliate, he teaches you how to do that in here. Now, in this program, he doesn't. You don't have to. You don't have to promote High Ticket Accelerator. But if you do, I highly recommend it. They give you 50% profit. The Transcend Accelerator starts at $2,500, so they give you 50% profits out of that, which is cool, guys. Is they give you exactly the funnel and the Facebook Messenger bot script that they give you to sell the program. So they teach you exactly how to do it, and then if you look here, they give you the funnel on how to do it, or the funnel on promoting this. And then if you look here, they give you the ManyChat setup on how to get people into your ManyChat bot for this program specifically. So if you're looking for a high ticket program that you want to sell, you can definitely use the High Ticket Accelerator. If not, they teach you how to promote other programs as well. They don't require you just to promote their program. But guys, I absolutely recommend High Ticket Accelerator. Like I said, I have the highest. I have the Awaken Accelerator. If you're just kind of starting out and you need to know where to start, I recommend at least with the Transcend Accelerator, and then we'll go from there. This program doesn't. They don't take everyone in, guys. There's only a certain amount of people that they let in. So if you're interested in starting, there's a link below. We'll basically a screening process to see if you're a right fit for the program. If you are interested, click on the link below, and we'll kind of get you through the screening process. And if you pass the screening process, then we'll go ahead and add you. We'll give you a special link for the program, and you can go ahead and join. But yeah, go ahead and click the link below, guys. If you have any questions, there's also a link to message me personally. If you need help getting started with anything, there's also a link below. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys have a great day. Go ahead and like and comment if you like this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.